Birds are amazing creatures, and some of them are super good at hunting for their food. Today, we'll talk about 10 birds that are like the superheroes of the bird world. They have cool powers and tricks that help them catch their meals. Number 10. Hawk Eagle. Hawk eagles are superheroes that live in different places around the world. They are good at catching many kinds of animals with their strong talons. In this video, you can see how the hawk attack on iguanas. The hawk grabbed the iguana by the claw and did not give it a chance to escape. In the end, the iguana lost its life. They are like bird detectives with awesome hunting skills. The hawk has the ability to see fish in the water and hunt very quickly. Hawks do not give the fish a chance to escape in the water and hunt the fish very quickly. Number 9. Snowy Owl. The snowy owl lives in cold places and is good at catching small animals. It has strong claws and a sharp beak. It's a superhero in the snow. Number 8. Secretary Bird. The secretary bird is a cool bird with long legs. It stomps on its prey with its feet to catch food. It's like a superhero on the ground, hunting in a unique way. The secretary bird easily hunts and eats the snake. Number 7. Golden Eagle. The golden eagle is a big and strong bird. It can catch small animals and even larger ones. It's a superhero in the sky with powerful claws. Number 6. Bearded Vulture. The bearded vulture lives in mountains and eats bones. It drops bones from the sky to crack them open and get the yummy inside. It's like a bird superhero with a unique way of eating. Number 5. Ostrich. The ostrich is a big bird from Africa. It cannot fly, but it has really strong legs. If it feels threatened, it can use its legs to kick and defend itself. Number 4. African Crowned Eagle. The African Crowned Eagle is a bird superhero in Africa. It has strong claws and can catch animals that are bigger than itself. It's a strong and cool hunter. Number 3. Paragan Falcon. The Paragan Falcon is the fastest bird in the world. It can fly really, really fast and catch other birds in the air. It's like a bird superhero with a speedy superpower. Number 2. Harpy Eagle. The Harpy Eagle lives in forests in Central and South America. It's like a superhero because it can fly fast and has big, strong claws to catch monkeys and other animals in the trees. Number 1. Cassowary. The cassowary is a big bird that cannot fly, but it has super strong legs and sharp claws. It lives in Australia and New Guinea and is known for being really good at protecting itself. Please like our video and subscribe our channel like Top 10.